For Haitian entrepreneurs, launching a US business can seem like a distant, complex dream. But what if the biggest barrier doesn't exist? You can form a US company without a visa or citizenship. The formation process for a non-resident is almost identical to that of a US citizen. It's a clear path. And the best part? You can complete the entire setup 100% remotely from anywhere in the world. In the next 9 minutes, you'll get the full roadmap, from state selection to banking and compliance. Your foundation will be a limited liability company, or LLC. It protects your personal assets from business debts. Every US business needs a legal US address. This isn't a problem. Professional virtual office services provide one. You'll also appoint a registered agent in your state. This service receives official legal mail on your behalf. The key to banking and taxes is the Employer Identification Number, or EIN. You do not need a social security number to get one. While US citizens apply online, non-residents have a faster method, applying by fax. This returns an EIN in weeks, not months. So you have the components: LLC, address, and EIN, plan. But your first major decision is this: in which state do you form your company? This choice matters because each state has different rules on taxes, privacy, and annual fees. Picking the wrong one costs you money. Your state requires an annual report filing to stay active. This is a simple update, but missing it results in heavy penalties. You might be tempted to use a friend's US address. This is a severe mistake. If legal documents are missed, you could lose your company. So, we've established the what and why for a proper structure. Now, let's answer that big question. Which state is best for you? For most non-residents, the top choice is Wyoming. It offers powerful privacy, no state income tax, and a very low annual fee of around $60. But if you plan to raise money from US investors, you should look at Delaware. It's the standard for venture capitalists, but has a higher tax. If your only priority is minimizing costs, consider New Mexico. It has similar privacy to Wyoming, but with a $0 annual report fee. The choice is strategic. Wyoming for privacy and low cost, Delaware for investment, New Mexico for the absolute lowest maintenance. The single biggest challenge for most foreign founders is opening a US business bank account. Many traditional banks require an in-person visit. This is where technology provides the solution. Fintech platforms like Mercury, Wise Business, and Brex were built for global businesses. These platforms let you apply for a real, FDIC-insured US business bank account online from your home country with your EIN and company documents. You've formed your company and opened a bank account. You're operational. But to succeed, you must understand the rules to stay compliant. Pay attention. Even if your LLC earns no US income, you may have a filing duty. Foreign-owned LLCs must file Form 5472 with the IRS. That annual report we mentioned is a recurring task. Set a calendar reminder. Missing the state's filing deadline means fees and bad standing. A final reminder on state choice. Forming in Wyoming while operating in California may require registering in both. That means double fees. Let's bring this all together. You now have the full toolkit: a legal structure, a state strategy, a banking solution, and a compliance map. Remember we picked Wyoming for privacy. There's another layer to that. The US does not participate in the Common Reporting Standard, or CRS. This means a bank account held by your Wyoming LLC offers financial privacy that is unmatched in many other major economies. So the strategy is clear. Use an online service to form a Wyoming LLC. Get your EIN by fax. Open a fintech bank account. Hire a pro for tax filings. The path to a US business for a Haitian entrepreneur is not blocked by visas. It is a pathway of clear, strategic steps available to you now. The keys are: 1. Choose your state wisely. Wyoming is often best. 2. Use fintech for remote banking. 3. Never ignore your compliance filings. And if you ever doubt your place, know this. Immigrants in the US start businesses at nearly double the rate of native-born citizens. You are not just starting a company, you are joining a powerful engine of innovation and economic growth in the United States. The American market is open. The tools are available. Your time is now.